Hello, friends. I welcome you all once again to my channel. And I just wanted to share an incident which led me to think, and I thought that I would be sharing this message with you all because I realized one thing that we tend to learn from our experiences on a daily basis, and if we are not sharing them with our friends or in the society, then I think learning for self will not be of any use. So it just struck my mind actually. So today, when I was out for some work, so while returning, I called a rickshaw puller, and somehow it reminded me that in the beginning I had made one video whether rickshaw puller is a successful person or not. So what happened that I asked him for the fare, and then he replied an amount, and I replied back by offering him a lesser amount, which we always do. Then what happened that he agreed to it, and the amount which I offered, that is the usual fare actually till the place where I was tending to go. Then I realized the amount which the rickshaw puller asked for was also not that much, which, if I would agree to, it would hurt me very badly. Because we often tend to lose our money in various irrelevant things and some other stuffs and other articles which are not required actually by us. And also, it came to my mind that sometimes we tend to offer some money for free to many of the people who have been asking to us just like that. So I thought that why not, if he's asking for for an amount which is not that much higher than the actual rate, and why should I not go ahead and give him that amount only? So what happened that I just thought that why not give him that amount only which he asked for in the beginning. So as soon as I got down, I gave him the money, and then he was quite happy and shocked also. I hope that he didn't think that I did it by mistake. So I just went after that. So I feel that I have a message here that when we tend to bargain so much, if it is not hurting that much, then we must try and support such acts, because it would it would make us feel better, and it will also in a way uh, lead our earnings to someone who would be requiring, means for us that amount might not be that important, but for that person it might make some difference in his life. So I felt that I must share this message with my viewers. So this video comes in front of you all. So once again, thank you all for watching my channel. I hope that I'll be making good videos soon, means with better editing and with better animations, etc. But then due to paucity of time, I'm not being able to. But certainly the process of sharing messages and thoughts will continue as it always is. So once again, thank you all and have a great day ahead. Thank you.